In this video, I'm going to show you how to write in PDFgear. Now, there's actually a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you all of them. First, you want to go to the Comment tab up top, and then here you have the basics, you have the text box and the add text, and then the note as well. So if I go to text box, I can just go ahead and basically draw it out like this, and I could start typing in whatever I want. Up top here, you can customize colors, borders, sizes, stuff like that, okay? Anything can be customized up top. And then, of course, you can then resize that however you want and put it wherever you want on your PDF. That's the first way. The second one is by clicking add text. Now this will not put a text box, but it's gonna just put like raw text over here. If I type hello like this, as you can see, it's basically gonna be just text without any fancy borders, backgrounds, boxes, etc. Then you also have your note here. You could add a note, so click on note and then just click anywhere and it's gonna add a note like this. You can move it around and you can just type in whatever you want over here as well, and you can write that way too. Or of course, if you want to be a bit fancy, you could go to the comment and then ink here, select your color and the size, and you could go and of course start typing in like this, which is basically not even typing, but it's more like writing. Okay, so that's kind of how you do it. But if you want to actually write something inside the existing boxes here, you want to go to the edit tab. You want to go to edit text, and then here you could of course click in any of these boxes which are containing text, and you could go and just start typing in like this, and you can write this way too. So that's basically how to write. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.